Sige, ma'am, go.
I have to show you. Yan,
Okay.
trim lang ako eh. Haircut. Oh. Yan. Yung mga, ganyan lang. Oh.
Haircut lang po.
Ayan. Oo, kasi I don't have the luxury of time. Sabi nila mga 3-4 hours. Magpapa-appointment ako ulit if
Sige
that's
po.
the case.
Okay.
Kasi may kasama
Okay.
akong pinsan.
Sige po.
Meron din siyang appointment. May anak. No, may baby.
Sige. Yung cut po natin, ganyan.
Sorry, I cannot. What do you think? Yung palagay mo, anong
pati na
feel?
ulit, ma'am.
Anong feel mo?
Okay lang, mas maganda dyan, ma'am.
Okay.
Oo.
Kung anong feel mo?
Ha? Mas
Of
ganda
course.
pa natin.
Of course.
Sige, ipoproportion
Okay,
natin.
okay, okay.
Yung length po, mga anong
Palagay
length
mo.
gusto natin?
Here?
Masyado maiksi, ma'am eh. I'll go for this length and then layer natin.
Okay, great.
Sige.
Sounds good.
Pawas ko
2 inch.
muna, ma'am, ha?
Okay.
Sige.
Beautiful. Oo. Perfect.
So,
Perfect.
pinagaan ko, ma'am, para madaling maayos, ha? Kasi
Yes.
pansin ko, pag ginagano ng finger, medyo tumasabit-sabit eh.
Okay.
So, nilagyan ko ng layering sa loob
Layering. Got it?
para magaan ka.
Alright.
Oh. Ma'am, thank you.
O, diba? Salamat
Okay.
din. Okay, I will for sure. Mr. Miguel, salamat. Thank
Okay
you.
lang.
Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you.